So this is the fence that was put up by a landscaper last week while we were on vacation. I specifically asked him what size of post, what size of hole, how he's going to mix the Quikrete. He did everything in opposition to the request that we made. The neighbor who contracted the work was comfortable with no warranty on workmanship, materials, anything. I guess they had worked with him in the past, but just want to highlight a few things. So typically you'd like the concrete, if you're setting posts in concrete, which makes a lot of sense, and it's highlighted in the ASTM guidelines, to go above soil grade. This person only put the concrete starting at about 6 inches, and it's very porous, the soil here. Below it's clay, so there's zero water capacity in that clay. As soon as you hit that, the water table essentially starts elevating here in this area of the province. In fact, the concrete actually slopes towards the post, so water coming here is going to collect to this point and just going to sit there. It's like a cup that's formed. So that's one big problem. Second problem is, I asked about the hole size. I assumed he was going to use a 10-inch auger post hole digger, auger type post hole digging. He just hand dug it, and it's irregular. So I'm only guessing here, but because I was able to chip away the concrete as I was digging here, it was just loose. It's unlikely the water to Quikrete ratio was correct, and I pointed out that the ASTM standard, when we were talking to the neighbor and communicating by email, that 2 inches, 4 inches added to the largest diameter, which would be the diagonal, is the requirement. So using 6-inch posts, 5.5 inches, that's approximately 7.5 inches diameter. Adding that puts you over 11.5 inches, and digging a 10-inch hole won't cut it. That's why I requested 5-inch posts. A larger post, I'm not sure what sense it makes if the concrete cracks in the corners, which is exactly what I expect will happen. Nails, not screws, that's another problem. Yeah, I'd love the thoughts from real fence installers and carpenters on their thoughts on this work and what they would do. Thanks.